Let me show you how to add an image to your Jetpack Compose app the clean and easy way. Whether it's for a game, profile screen, or even a cat photo app, images are very essential. So let's get started. First, you need to understand what image you want to have. So right here, I'm on Google, but you can go to any site wherever you want to have your image. I think I'll go with just this image right here. So I'm just gonna copy the image, but you can also save it as well. And then once you do that, we're gonna go back to Android Studio. You're gonna go to the drawable folder right here, right click, and press paste. Now once you paste it, you should see that your image updates. So now let's put it onto the screen. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put @composable. And this is basically telling Android Studio, hey, we're gonna be using some Jetpack Compose composables. So I need you to get ready. Basically that. And I also want to show our code as we code on the preview. So I'm gonna put @preview. And inside these parentheses, we're gonna put show background equals true. Now it's time to make our function. I'm just gonna put a simple my picture. I think that's clean, that's cool. And don't worry, we're not gonna put anything in the parameters. Don't forget your curly braces. Now inside the curly braces, we're gonna write image. And we're gonna put painter equals painter resource. And what the painter resource function is doing is gonna load the image from the drawable folder. So you're gonna put r.drawable, because remember, it's gonna load the picture from the drawable folder, which is right here. So we're gonna put r.drawable, and then you're gonna put dot again, and you can just choose whatever image you want. So let's say I'll choose this image right here, image 3. Now we're gonna put a comma, and we're gonna put content description. This is basically for accessibility. It helps screen readers describe what the image is. So we're just gonna put content description. And let's just put cool dice. That's all. And now we're gonna put a modifier. Basically what a modifier is telling Android Studio, this is how I want my image to be. So we're gonna put modifier.size. Remember, it's telling Android Studio how you want it to be. So if you want your picture to be big, if you want your picture to be small, modifier is your guy. So we're just gonna put 200, or girl. Yeah. So after that, we're gonna put modify the size, and as you can see, the picture grows bigger. And if you would like to add it to your main screen, you see your function name right here, my picture. We're just gonna put that right there, and it's added to your main function. So in just a few lines of code, you learn how to load and show an image using Jetpack Compose. If this helped you, I have plenty of other tutorials just like this on my page. Happy coding! Mass Programmer out.